I found the coolest thing on Amazon. These are stick-on wax seals. And if you have ever made wax seals with a candle and real wax and a metal stamp, you know how difficult that is and how time consuming. So when I found these, I was ecstatic. These are really cool too. There are two shades of gold here. One is antique gold and the other one wasn't marked as to what color. And then these are champagne, but they come in other colors too. These are all the Magnolia designs, but there were other types of flowers. I think there were dahlias, wildflowers. I think there might have been one with leaves, but these are really cool. These are going to be perfect for invitations, especially wedding invitations. You get a box of 50, and I have the 3 different colors here. You can use these for invitations, cards that you're going to mail out or whatever, but you could also use these in junk journaling, any kind of crafting, scrapbooking, card making. I mean, these are just really, really nice. Now, these are not wax, but they have kind of like a pearlized or like a pearlish finish. So they kind of do look kind of waxy. And they are very detailed. I mean, there's a lot of detail there. These are very, very nice. So I'm going to show you how they work. I'm getting ready to send this envelope out. It is a surprise envelope or a swap envelope for a junk journaling group that I belong to. And let me seal the envelope. There we go. And on the back here, you can see, oops, good thing I'm going to put seals on there because that's not sticking very well. And then on the back, you just peel the backing off. There we go. And it's double-sided tape. And you just stick it on. But that is so, so easy. Now, I will probably add some more tape to this so that it'll stick down. But I love that. And that's going to give this envelope a really, really nice finish. So if you are looking into doing something with wax seals, this is a great alternative.